How to model a glass of lemonade in Blender. So first we're going to make the cup for the lemonade. So select the default cube and press tab and to go into edit mode. Go to face select, select the top face and press G then Z because we're going to make this cup tall. And S to scale so it doesn't look like a rectangular prism. And now we're going to add a couple of loop cuts. This will be crucial for when we're making the actual lemonade. So I'm just going to scroll up a few times after pressing Ctrl R. There we go. And now for the cup we're going to cut the top face so that the people can actually drink from this. So I'm just going to press I to inset and move my mouse inward and press X to delete the face. There we go, the cup is finished. And now to make the lemonade, stay in edit mode and go to the bottom by using your mouse to go to the bottom face. And then in using your keyboard, press Ctrl+. This will select the next few faces. So I'm going to do that a few times, Ctrl+. If you don't have a number pad, make sure you have emulate number pad enabled. So I'm just going to do Ctrl+ a few times. I think that's enough. And this is key steps, so don't skip this part. So press Shift D to duplicate it. Move your mouse around a little bit and press Escape so that it goes back to the position it was in. And select this, select the toggle X-ray over here and press S to scale. This is because we want the lemonade to be distinct. There we go. And don't forget this step. This is a very important step. We're going to separate the interface that we selected from the cup because the cup and lemonade have different textures. So press P on your keyboard and press separate by selection. So now you can see that there are two separate things in our viewport. And tab out, and I'm going to select the cup and press H to hide, and then I'm going to select the lemonade, and then I'm going to tab into edit mode, and I'm going to do option click, I'm in face select, don't do that. Now you have to be in edge select and do option click and press F to fill so that our lemonade has a thing that you can see at the top of. And that's pretty much it. We're basically done. The last steps we need to do is texturize it. So press the cup and go to the material properties here and change the surface from principal BSDF to mix shader and change the and then you see that we are plugging in two shaders. So I'm going to select the first one and select glass BSDF, and the second one we're going to select the transparent BSDF. The glass BSDF so that it gets the glass look, and the transparent BSDF so that light doesn't bounce around. And enable screen space refraction right here. There we go. And now the cup is finished, and for the lemonade, select that, and still has the glass material. So I'm just going to press the remove material, and I'm going to press new, and I'm going to make this a lemonade color, like so. And I'm going to bring the roughness down to 0.1 because lemonade is reflective in nature, and if we go to Eevee we can't see anything. That's because I forgot to show you how. That's because now I'm going to show you in the render settings. Go to screen space reflection, enable refraction. There we go. That's our lemonade. And now as a little bit of a bonus, I'm going to make a small lemon for the lemonade cup because most lemonades I've seen have that. So press Shift A to add, and add a cylinder, and change the number of vertices from 32 to 16 for the low poly look, and press G the next to move it out. And then I'm going to press RX90 so that we can put it on top right there. And then this is bigger than I need, so I'm just going to press SY and move it inward. This should be enough. And I'm just going to go to the material properties and select the lemonade material. And now I'm just going to put this on top of the cup. I'm going to do that in the viewport like this, and press G and then just move it like so. And there you have it. That's a glass of lemonade. And now I'm just going to quickly walk through the render settings. So just make sure your key thing enables screen space, reflection, and refraction. I'm going to save it. If you haven't watched the finale of the Learn Blender series, you know why I'm doing this. And I'm just going to press Shift A to add. We're playing. This is the render process now. I'm just going to press S to scale. And I'm going to move this up. I'm going to select the lemonade tube. So cube, 001, and cylinder. Press G, then Z. There we go. And this looks a little dark. So I'm going to take a different lemonade color. Just give me a second here. If you're satisfied with this color, then you can leave it as is, but I'm going to change it to this hex code right here, FDE062. Yeah, that looks much nicer. Before it looked like the lemons were not ripe. Now they look ripe and nice. So now I'm just going to remove this light and just going to add 3 area lights. Shift A, add light area. Press G, then Z. Press S to scale. Go into 7 top view. Press G. I'm going to put one over here. Shift D to duplicate. I'm going to put another one right here. Shift D to duplicate. I'm going to put the last one right there. I'm going to go back to the first one and change the power to 2000. Going to change this one to 1500. And change this last one to 1000. And I'm going to select the plane. Press new in the material properties. Make sure your material properties, and I'm going to make this blue like that. And here's a neat trick about camera positioning. So I'm just going to, I like this view, so I'm going to go here like so, maybe like that, and do Command or Control Option 0. And then I'm going to press N on the keyboard and go to View and lock camera to view, so that now I can scroll out. And then just press render and render image, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.